Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Louise and this is my Glossybox January 2019 unboxing. Glossybox is a beauty subscription service where you can pay monthly for a box of 5 beauty items that include makeup, skincare and hair care, and for the monthly subscription it costs you £10 a month plus £3.25 postage. Or you can go for a longer subscription. You've got the option of a 3 months, a 6 months and a 12-month subscription, and the longer that you go for then the cheaper the subscription is. So this is the Glossybox. It comes in this pretty little pink box every month, and sometimes they do special design boxes as well for special occasions like Christmas. They did a all that glitters special design box. So that's what the box looks like. You always get it in a nice little ribbon with the leaflet showing you what's inside the box and a few details about each product and their RRP so that you know how much the products are worth. So we'll just open the box, take the little leaflet out, I'll just put that there, and then I will just show you the products. So let's have a look at the first product. So this is the first product, which is a Vant Hyrule Acid Vivifying Face and Night Cream. So that's what the product looks like. It is a 50ml product and the RRP for this is £98. £98 for some moisturiser. It says that it will rejuvenate tired eyes, promote an even skin tone and minimise the appearance of fine lines and pesky pores. That's definitely something that I need. I definitely need something to minimise these pesky pores. So yes, I'm really looking forward to trying that. I'll update you on my thoughts on it. So the second item is a repairing deep conditioning treatment hair mask. So it's from the brand Hask and it is a 50ml hair treatment, and the RRP for this is £2.49 for one mask. And it says simply massage a generous amount into your hair, focusing on damaged areas, relax for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. I do like putting deep conditioning treatments on my hair, so I'll try that. And there is quite a lot there with it being 50ml, and so I'll probably be able to get a couple of treatments with that. And so again, I will tell you my thoughts when I have tried that out. So the third item is from Ciate London, and so it is a Wonder Wand liner. So that's what that looks like. And so it says that it's a precise eyeliner pencil that will change up your eye makeup this January. It is a deluxe mini, which is worth £9 based on the full size price of £15. It has got the kohl eyeliner on one end, and then it has got a little blending brush on the other end for smudging out the eyeliner. Now, I don't use eyeliner, and so I'm not going to use this, so I will probably give it to a friend or a family member. So the fourth item that is in the box, let's have a look. This is from Maybelline and it is a Dream Blender, and it's a foundation sponge. So that's the product. And this is it's got an RRP of £4.99. Let's just open it up. So yes, it's a little blender for your foundation. Nice and spongy. And so yes, I will try that out. My foundation sponge is a lot bigger than that. I think it's probably a little bit too small for doing your whole face. It's probably better just for doing your under eyes maybe. But yes, I think I'd have problems using that to put foundation all over my face. Yes, so I'll give it a go and see what I think. But yes, it looks very cute. So the 5th item in the box is from the brand -417. This is a facial micro loofah foaming gel. And so it is a cleanser for cleansing your skin morning and night. And it just says, simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions to gently exfoliate and remove your makeup. And that it is formulated with minerals from the Dead Sea, rare plant extracts and vitamins. And so it's invigorating, leaves your skin feeling clean, soft and fresh. So this is a deluxe mini and it is worth £13.31 because the full size is £22.71. And so yes, that is the foaming gel cleanser. And so yes, I'm really happy with that box. I have been a subscriber to Glossybox since September last year. And I used to be with Birchbox and I just thought I will try Glossybox, and so I cancelled my subscription with Birchbox and I went over to Glossybox, and I have been very pleased with all my Glossybox boxes that I've had through. I think they're really good value for money and I will definitely continue with my Glossybox. It is something that I definitely would recommend if people were into makeup and skincare and hair care as well. I would definitely recommend the Glossybox. I will leave a link to my referral code where you can get a 20% discount, so you will get it for £8 instead of £10. And so yes, I will leave my code down in the description box. But yes, that's it for my Glossybox unboxing. So if you liked my video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell if you would like to be notified when I next upload my next video. Thank you.